I am an average-looking white female. There is nothing extraordinary about me, but one thing I'm proud of. I know how to get a boyfriend, and I got the perfect specimen for myself. I would say chosen one. Here, I'll tell you everything you need to do to find yours. 5 steps, 5 to 10 minutes. You're welcome. Enjoy. When you start looking for a boyfriend, first thing you need to do is to get absolutely clear who you want. Imagine your perfect man hugging you right now. Close your eyes. Is he tall? Is he heavier or he skinnier? Does he have facial hair? Touch him all over. Feel it, what it feels like to hug him. It has to feel very peaceful, calm, and happy. That would be a good base. That's your innermost thoughts are communicating to you who you want. Here's the shortcut. Find a man with an if. A perfect man with an if. He would be perfect if he wouldn't be that married, old, so hard to reach like an actor. For me, it was a father of a kid who I used to work with. Gosh, he was hot. He was tall, skinny, had dorky glasses. So I thought to myself, I want a man like him, only single and younger. And here I go. My man is tall, skinny, has dorky glasses, and same name as my crush. Remember, ladies, clear expectations give clear results. Invest your time in it. It's worth it. I started writing a diary every morning, about 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that, where I describe what I'm wearing, where we are, what he's wearing, what did he say, what the weather's like, if his friends are visiting, what our plans for today, and stuff like that. And about 3 months after starting a diary, I met the guy I describe in this book. Make some room for him in your life before he even gets there. And you can start with your bedroom. I started sleeping on one side of my bed, leaving the other side for him, my imaginary boyfriend, my perfect man. It felt like I was making a conscious effort to bring my man into my life. Same thing with your car. Just make sure that the passenger seat is clean and trash-free, and you're gonna be good to go. You're probably thinking, well, I'll make some room for him when he comes, Anastasia. No, sweet pie. He might never come unless you make a spot next to yourself already available. I was looking for mine anywhere and everywhere. Even at work, I was looking at guys around me. I was asking myself, is that him? I know I look weird and desperate. If you're like me and you don't have much spare time for socializing, just register on some dating websites. And in my opinion, the free websites are as good as the paid ones. I had Tinder for about 3 years with no luck until I completed the steps I was talking about before. Keep in mind that you might not recognize your man right away. When I first met mine, I did not like him. So sometimes it makes sense to give it a go, if it feels right and it feels safe with him. I came up with this step on my own after hearing successful couples saying over and over again that they started as friends. Go to movies, go work out together, hiking, cooking, fishing, talking about different subjects. That's where you see the person. That's where you see his qualities, what the person is really like. Every man I've told this idea to said that it was an interesting concept and they're willing to try. The key is to be honest. Just say, okay, sweetie, I'm looking for a boyfriend and I want to make sure that you are a friend to me. A person who I can go to with a problem, who will support me, who will understand me. If I can be a friend to you, Also, I have never agreed to have a date with a person I've never met before. In my opinion, dates are for couples to celebrate each other. I always said we can go and casually hang out. When you go to have a dinner or some fun activities together, just make sure that you're paying for yourself while still being friends, unless he insists. That saves you trouble of feeling obligated to go to his place at the end of the night. My advice to you, don't jump into the intimacy right away unless you're sure that he can be a best friend. Now, there's a time limit for healthy pre-dating friendship. I would say 3 to 5 months. Anything before 3 months, he's probably losing his patience and he's more interested in you physically, or he wasn't interested in you enough in the first place. Anything after 5 months, he probably doesn't have a backbone. He has to grow some parts of his body and ask for you to be his girlfriend. The backbone in men is important, not just for this step, but in life in general. There's a whole science behind it. I'm not gonna go in depth in this video. Keep in mind that this step on its own does not work. I tried it with 4 different men of different backgrounds. It's not working. At least combine it with the step number 1. Steps 2 and 3 just speeding up the process. There you go. Now you know how to find a man. Try it, test it. Let me know if you have any questions. I would like to call it man finding recipe. 5 steps. Nice. Go ahead and cook yours.